Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, what I got for you guys is breakfast. And on the menu, we have our eggs cooking. We have a muffin cut in half. I have some cereals. I'm going to place some milk in it. I got my blueberries, my raspberries, my blackberries, and my strawberries in the bowl. I have a half of an avocado. And then I have my green tea, guys. Now I'm about to place the cheese on my eggs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright. I'm going to fold that up in there like that. And let the cheese melt. Give the muffins a flip. Turn off our green tea. Alright. Give that a flip. Okay, now let's cut up our avocado, guys. I haven't did a breakfast video in a minute now. Just like that. Alright. Now we're going to take our eggs, place them on the plate. We have our bacon bits in there. We have our green onions and our cheese. Woo. Okay, I'm going to turn this fire off. Place that. I don't add no jelly, preserves, or nothing. Just like that. Now I'm going to place my green tea. Okay. Move this out the way. Okay, now we're going to take our cereals, add our milk, like so. Don't add no sugar. I don't add no sugar. Alright. We have our green tea. We have our cereals with our berries in it, guys. We have our eggs with the bacon and the green onion and the cheese. We have our avocado on the side. Then we have our it's a whole muffin, but I split it in half. Okay, guys. Let me give a shout out. Shake, 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 shake. I'm going to shout out 4 people today. Okay. 1, 2. Let's dig deep down in the cup. Matter of fact, I'm going to pour them on the table for the other 2. That's 3, 4, Put them back. Okay, now let's see who the lucky ones who gonna represent this breakfast. Y'all favorite. Cubston in the house, guys. If you don't have Cubston, make sure you go check out her channel. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. Cubston. Grab her up, guys. Alright, let's see who the next lucky person. Okay, ball that back up. Haha. We have Catherine Beck. Catherine Beck, guys. If you don't have Catherine Beck, go check out her channel. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. Alright? Catherine Beck. Check her out. Grab her up. Grab her up. Let's see who's next. Ball that back up. He's been a lucky one so far in 3 videos. 3 in a row. Mr. MaleAdvice. Guys, if you don't have Mr. MaleAdvice, I'll call him King of DIYs. If you don't have him, check out his channel. His videos are short and to perfection. Grab him up, guys. Grab him up, Mr. MaleAdvice. If you don't have him, grab him up. Let's see who's next. Balling this one back up. Number 4. Miss Yo-Yo Show. If you don't have Miss Yo-Yo Show, guys, go check her out. She's so funny. Oh my goodness, she's so funny. Like what you see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share out her lives. Miss Yo-Yo Show. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, she made it twice on my videos. The Miss Yo-Yo Show. Grab her up, guys. Grab her up. I'm feeling so excited today, guys. I like to give a shout out, a special shout out, and it goes to Caballero Ibem. If you don't have him, guys, oh my God, go check out his channel. He is a loyal supporter. Caballero Ibem. Check him out, check him out, check him out. Back to my food, guys. You must get a closer look. This is what your girl representing this morning. You are what you eat. Okay? Look at that, guys. Yum. Look at those eggs. This is the kind of breakfast you should be having in the morning. Not in all that greasy bacon. You shouldn't be having all that. Okay? Learn to clean eat. And this is some clean eating, guys. Straight to the point. Alright? Got your cereals on deck. Alright? You got all your 5 main things that you're supposed to have. Like your breads, your proteins, your vegetables, and your fruits. Did I say 5? Is that 5? Okay. And then on top of that, you got your green tea in the house. Come on, guys. It don't get no better than that. Alright? Especially through the stuff we going through in this world today. Trying to fight this pandemic that's keep coming at us sideways. You know what I mean? You got to keep your body strong. Alright? All I'm saying is get up and get you some. It's not hot yet. Get you one of them small fans and put it like in your hand while you're cooking. You'll be all right. All right, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. for stopping by and watching my videos. Not skipping my ads. Alright, guys. I appreciate you. Now your girl is about to smack down on this delicious food. Alright? Bless each and every one of you. Let your day be productive. Alright? With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Take a good drool, baby. Hope this encouraged you to get up and get you some breakfast, which is the most important meal of the day, baby. Alright? See you guys in the next one. Bye.